say hi? Hi. Can you say roll it? Can you roll it? Roll it. Good job. What's outside? What is that? A doggy? You see the doggies out there? Look at Pepper and Trixie. What are they? Did you like your lunch? Was your lunch hot? Was it hot? Did you need to blow on it? You're all done? That's not a ball. Where's the ball? Yeah, it's over there. Good job. Can you show me where your nose is? Yeah, those are doggies. Where's your hair? Amelia. Is this your hair? Yeah, that's your hair. You're so smart. Can you blow kisses bye-bye? Blow kisses. Good job.